with the butterflies. Mesmerized, mesmerized by you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Clips and Closings. And this is where I react to real estate leaders and break down their gems from the behind the scenes side as your favorite TC and VA. And today we're featuring the powerhouse herself, Miss Quiana Watson. And she dropped a reel that really stuck with me about alignment and being ready for the opportunities that come your way. So let's play the clip real quick, and then I'll share my thoughts from the perspective of what I see working behind the scenes as your TC. So let's watch.
So let me explain to you this. It is not luck, it is skill. Skill is what sets most people apart from those that want something and those that do something. So your skill set determines your mindset, and your mindset determines your bottom line dollars. So in order to get there, you need to have the systems, resources, and tools so you can succeed in this business. No, it is not luck, it's strength.
Quiana always come through with the truth, right? And what she's basically saying is it's not enough to just show up or just hustle endlessly. You have to be aligned and you have to be ready, okay? Opportunities do not wait for you to get organized. They come when they come, and if your house isn't in order, then whoop-de-doo, you'll miss them. And let me tell you, from the TC side of things, I see this all the time, okay? The agents who have structure, the ones who have their systems in place, they're able to pivot fast. They can scale without losing their sanity. But the ones who don't, see, they're living in constant chaos. Every file feels like an emergency. Every deal feels like it's on fire. And that's not a way to build a business. That's a way to burn out. Now, what Quiana is really talking about is alignment. And it sounds like a mindset, and it is, but it's also about process. Because you can't truly stay aligned if everything behind you is scattered. If your intake is messy, if your follow-ups are slipping through the cracks, if your deadlines are living in your head instead of in a system. See, no amount of hustle can save you from that. And look, that's exactly where support roles like mine come in. And so as a transaction coordinator in a VA, what I do is help you set up those checklists. I help you put those systems in place, I make sure that nothing falls through the cracks. So when that big opportunity does come, you're not stuck scrambling. You're already prepared. You see, that's what it really means to be in the right room. Your back end matches the level of the opportunities that you're chasing. So here's my challenge for you. Before the year ends, I want you to pick one system that you've been putting off. Just one, okay? Maybe it's your lead tracker. Maybe it's your follow-up process. Maybe it's finally having a real intake for your contracts instead of just winging it. And look, don't try to fix everything all at once, okay? But just commit to tightening up that one area. Because when you do, you'll feel the difference in how aligned you actually are. So, if this resonated with you, drop a comment and tell me what's one system that you're committing to getting in order before the year closes out, okay? And look, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with an agent friend who might need to hear this, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's breakdown. And if you're an agent who's ready to stop running on chaos, I've got something special for you too. Check out the description below to grab my free agent bags checklist. And what that is 7 must-have bags that every agent needs to stay organized. And it unlocks my Close Day 1 kit so you can see exactly how top producers are keeping their deals on track. All right, guys. Well, if you guys stuck to the end, I truly, truly appreciate you for tuning in to today's episode of Clips and Closings. And I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.